Hey guys, Nick with 2, how do you do? This video I'm going to be forging some railroad spikes and hopefully going to try and make them into some blanks for some knives so we can grind down easier. And yeah, I'll get the fire started and I'll pick you up later. Be back. Okay, so I got the fire up and running. The metal's heating up right now. So once they're up to temperature, I'll turn my camera back on. Hey, so I just wanted to give a shout out to Lakeside Forge. He's the guy who supplied me with the railroad spikes so I can make these knives. So I'll put a link in the description and check him out. He's a very, very good blacksmith. He works like, all his videos are about that, so check him out. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so finished up not finished forging, but I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna start grinding down the blades. As you can see, I put a twist in the handle. This one's only like one twist. This one is two. This one is also two. I feel pretty good in the hand right now. So yeah, I'll kind of reprofile the blade and then start grinding it down to an edge. So remember, keep your knife sharp, your mind sharp. I'm Nick with 2. Thanks for watching.